Hey everybody, I had a cool Lego haul arrive at the door today. Came by FedEx. Yeah, so let me show it to you. So first off, I ordered the Hogwarts Hospital Wing, set 76398 with 510 pieces. And, well, when I went to order it, I realized that if I spent over $80, I got some free stuff from Lego. So, anyway, that's what I had to do. Anyway, this is one really sweet set. Now, we already have the astronomy tower and the clock tower and all the other parts to the castle, so this is going to be a wonderful addition, even though this is part of the clock tower. How we're going to incorporate it in, I'm not really sure at this point, but I have a way. I'll figure it out. Okay, so next up, my dad really likes building stuff as well, and he decided to get this for Mom, which was set 40460, 120 pieces, and it's the roses. And $16.99, it's not a bad deal at all. So we decided, between Dad and I, to get this for Mom, and Dad would build it for her. It was a nice little gesture. It was a nice little gesture. Plus, you never know on the side, eh? Wink, wink. After the fact, I decided to get some keychains. So I got Eeyore, Pooh. There's no stink around here, is there, Pooh? And a Tigger keychain. Why Tigger? Because everyone loves Tiggers, and Tiggers are so much fun, 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 fun! So here is the Easter Chick set 40527 with 318 pieces, and it is the freebie with purchase over $80 this week at Lego Shop at Home. And well, we got some other Easter sets that we had from last week that we showed in a quick haul. So this one came, and this is going to be really sweet. Now my dad's going to build this one as well because he likes building Lego for therapy as well. So those two are for him. The hospital is for myself, and the keychains are for myself. Why did I get the keychains and not buy the set? Well, the set at $140 right now seems to be still a little bit on the pricey side for what's in it. Now, I understand it is Winnie the Pooh, so that looks really cool, and it is a collectible. However, I decided to get the keychains just in case I don't get the set, and I wanted to at least have the figures because they were Disney, and I do the Disney stuff. So, having said that, at least I will have them. The only one I don't have is Rabbit. Now, maybe I'll be able to get Rabbit on Bricklink or something, so that won't be such a big deal to me right off the top of my head. And I'll probably build, or if I don't decide to purchase the Pooh set, I probably just build a little Pooh house to have this scene in, and you know, incorporate it somewhere in the amusement park. But anyway, I just wanted to say that this was my haul today, and here I am sitting on top of the box, sitting on top of the world, as they say, with all this Lego. Yeah, looks like lots of fun. So we'll talk to you guys very soon. Take care until then. Stay safe.